In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks login issues. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get back in quickly and safely, starting with the simplest checks and moving to easy browser fixes. First, verify your credentials. Your user ID is usually an email address, and both the email and password are case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. Take a moment to type your email and password slowly instead of relying on autofill, which can sometimes insert an old or incorrect entry. Watch out for common slip-ups, like an extra space copied at the end of your email, or a password pasted with hidden characters. Also confirm that caps lock isn't on, and if your password includes special characters, make sure you're entering them exactly as created. If you've recently changed your login, be sure you're using the latest version rather than a previously saved one. If that doesn't work, try logging in through a private browsing window. This is a quick way to rule out problems caused by your browser's stored data. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Firefox or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. On Safari, press Command plus Shift plus N. Private windows don't use your existing cache or cookies and usually disable most extensions by default, so they give you a clean environment to test. Go to the sign-in page and try again. If you can log in here without errors, that's a good sign that your regular browser's cache or cookies are the issue. Once you've confirmed it works in a private window, clear your regular browser's cache and cookies. This removes corrupted or outdated temporary files that can block a successful login. In your browser settings, look for privacy or history, then select clear browsing data. Choose to clear cached images and files, as well as cookies and site data. If you're unsure which time range to pick, clearing from the last 7 days is a safe start. If the problem persists, clear for a longer period or all time. Keep in mind this will sign you out of most websites, so make sure you know your passwords before you proceed. After clearing, fully close your browser, reopen it, and try signing in again. Follow these steps in order, and you'll resolve most login issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your work without interruptions.